Friends, can you identify the Italian city car Topolino, which in Italian literally translated is little mouse, but also the Italian name for Mickey Mouse. Friends, today we are going to a vintage car museum. It's called Treasured Wheels. It is just outskirts of the city limits, about maybe 20-25 minutes drive. So let's go and find out. Sonapur. Beautiful greenery is there. This time of the year the paddy fields are very green. On and off there rains. And here is the gate. This gate is full of helmets which were used during the various wars. The Second World War and the Indo-China and Indo-Bangladesh, that is the liberation. Hello friends, today I am at a very interesting place, and this place is a vintage car museum based near Sonapur, outskirts of Guwahati, about 45 minutes drive outskirts of Guwahati. And now as we enter, we see here the gate, and the gate is made up of helmets, which were used in the Second World War. And also that is, we are talking about 1939 to 45. Then we have also helmets here during the Indo-China War, 1962, and the Bangladesh Liberation War, that was in 1972. Now let's go and meet the founder of this museum and try to learn about some of the interesting vehicles that they have. Okay.
Piklu Deka.
So Mr. Piklu Deka, he is the person who established this museum. আপনি কোন চনত আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলে?
মই 90s ত
90s ত। So early 90s he started. আৰু এইটা যে দেখিছো এটা কি বৰ?
এইটা initial stage of petrol pump machine.
Petrol pump মানে sometime from which year?
Maybe 30s, 40s.
Around 30s.
Hand pump.
Okay, so this was a hand pump. And
the liter system is a gallon system.
Gallon system.
5 liters is equal to 1
5 liters is 1 gallon, and that was in the 1930s. This was a petrol filling pump. And then he has a collection of different cars. আপনার ইয়াত কিমান পুৰণা আছে, মানে পুৰণা ধৰি লওক গাড়ী?
1919 to up to 70s.
19. Friends, as you heard, most of these cars that Mr. Piklu Deka has been collecting over the years belong to the period 1919 to 1970s. And some of them were owned by the Britishers, and others mostly by the tea planters. And some interesting vehicles are there which were used during the Second World War by the Allied forces. He also has a collection of two-wheelers, and there are many interesting such two-wheelers which were used by the soldiers during the war, And also he has a two-wheeler which was used by the paratroopers as they jumped out of the aircraft and landed in the forest. So let's come and explore, what all he has collected over the years. Vehicle is also very interesting because this is associated with a famous character, that is the Mickey Mouse. So this is the Italian city car, which is the Fiat 500 Topolino, and this is associated with Mickey Mouse. It's a very interesting piece of, again, collection here. Okay, and this one is a very interesting actually vehicle. This is a American three-wheeler weapons carrier, and this was used in the Second World War, and there are only 8 such vehicles were made, and this is one of the 8 vehicles which was used to carry weapons during the Second World War. It's a very interesting piece of history associated because it is one out of total number of 8 such three-wheeler weapons carrier by Allied forces in the Second World War. Very interesting. It's a three-wheeler design. They have these brakes and all that. And this vehicle is very popular with the famous character Mr. Bean, and they have put the name also here. They call it the Mr. Bean's car. This is the Austin Mini Cooper. This one is again a convertible. This is the Morris Minor convertible vehicle, and this is again from the period that is written there, 1956 to 1971. That was the time this convertible was made in the United Kingdom. And there are some two-wheelers as well for those who like two-wheelers. These are very interesting two-wheelers. I will show you. Looks like some of them were used during the wartime. Let's go and see. By এখন আপনার টু হুইলার এখন ভেরি
এখন হল রয়্যাল এনফিল্ডৰ স্কুটাৰ
রয়্যাল এনফিল্ড রয়্যাল এনফিল্ড স্কুটার sometime
1950s to 60s the self starter scooter
1950s and 60s self starter okay by Royal Enfield okay
Norton 16H
Norton 16
Che Guevara
Che Guevara that movie yes movie the Motorcycle Diary. Yeah.
That's a model.
Oh, okay, it's very interesting. Actually, one of my favorite movies, Motorcycle Diary. Good for sound. Yeah, Che Guevara. Okay,
Cuba.
That one.
M20 BSA.
Okay, BSA.
Actually, BSA to the British company.
British company.
Birmingham, small town. F1 was Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield hand gear flying key. So
that two-wheeler can be dropped from the
third one is flying flea. Flying flea hand gear.
Okay.
And shifted gear.
So it was dropped from the air during Second World War. Okay.
Second World War. So এখন Royal Enfield 500cc second World War uses. Ariel Red Hunter. Golden Plus, 650, Sunbeam, Subtrack, popular Subtrack.
Okay.
Subtrack. Next one is a Honda CX500. Econo Subtrack.
Okay. How about this one?
This is a heavy Victoria. Victoria, Germany.
Which period?
Maybe
1901
50s, 60s.
to 60s.
These are the first model, 1901, the Albion. এনেকুৱা এখন মটৰচাইকেল কানাডাত অপশ্যন হৈছিলে 50 লাখত 1995 এতিয়া আৰু কিমান ওপৰলৈ হৈছিলে আমাৰ ইচ্ছা এইটোৱে যে কামিং জেনেৰেশ্যনক আমি হিষ্ট্ৰীখিনি দিব লাগে কেনেকৈ এনচিয়েণ্ট পিৰিয়ডৰ পৰা আজিৰ ডেটত আমি ইমান এটা কমফৰ্ট লাইফ আমি এনজয় কৰি আছোঁ তাৰ বেছটো কি আছে
evolution.
এডুকেশ্যনেল চেণ্টাৰ বহুত আহে স্কলাৰবিলাক আহে ডক্টৰেটৰ কাৰণে সিহঁতে বহুতো চেচিছৰ কাৰণে বহুত বস্তু লৈ যায় মোৰ কথাটো এইটো যে আমি পৃথিৱীলৈ আহিছোঁ কেইদিনমানৰ কাৰণে যে আমি পৃথিৱীক কিবা এটা দি যাব একোতো লৈ যাব নোৱাৰোঁ কিন্তু এতিয়া কাৰ্বাইড লেম্প হেডলাইনটো হ'ল লেম্প মেক্স কাটেদি যোনটো কাৰ্বাইড লেম্প হেণ্ড শিফটেড এতিয়া বিল্ডাৰ এইটো পেৰাট্ৰুপাৰ স্কুটাৰ
It's a paratrooper scooter. Again, drop from air.
লগত লৈ আহে
Along with the paratroopers, they bring it along with them as they jump.
ফল্ডিং হৈ যায় মই পেণ্ডেল কৰোঁ চিট ডাউন আগৰ চকাটো ঘূৰি যায় বেগ এটাত ভৰাই কিক বেগত ভৰাই জাম্প কৰে তো ক'ৰবাত জংঘলত পৰি গ'ল তাৰপৰা নিজৰ ডেষ্টিনেশ্যন আহিবলৈ এখন ইউজ কৰে এখন বেবী চাইকেল তেতিয়া টিউবলেছ চাইকেল এতিয়া আকৌ টিউবলেছ
One of the earlier model of tubeless bicycle.
এইখন হ'ল BS 40cc চাইকেল উইথ ইঞ্জিন ৰেয়াৰ ইঞ্জিন 1942 ছেকেণ্ড ৱৰ্ল্ড ৱাৰ তো এই চাইকেলখন কেনেকৈ ফোন কৰি আনিছিলে এইটো এটা তাৰে মডেল
Okay, same model.
চেম মডেল ইয়াত তিনিটা নট ইউজ কৰি দিলে তিনিটা নট ইউজ কৰি দিলে ফোল্ড হৈ যায় তো ইয়াক এনেকৈ কৰি
Foldable.
ইয়াক পিঠিত বেল্টেৰে বান্ধে জাম্প কৰে ক'ৰবাত জংঘলত পৰিব তাৰপৰা নিজৰ ডেষ্টিনেশ্যন ইউজ কৰে
So the paratroopers will fold it and they will jump from the aircraft and then they will unfold and
সব অৰিজিনেল ব্ৰেক কেবল চেবল সব অৰিজিনেল লাগি আছে
okay. এইবিলাক original না কেবল
কমপ্লিট আৰু খুব ফুল ফাংচনিং
Okay. এতিয়া মানে
চাইকেলৰ ৰিভলিউশ্যন কেনেকৈ আমি চাইকেলৰ যেতিয়া ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটি আৰম্ভ হোৱা নাই তেতিয়া ফ্ৰিজৰ
So this is the first generation refrigerator. And how it was used actually, it's about
লেম্পৰ হিট দিব লাগে
okay, here you have to heat up with the lamp. It is before electricity was invented, this refrigerator was, invented.
তো
And you have different collection of clocks
1889 পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি বিভিন্ন
from 1889.
varieties clock pocket watch timepiece
Okay.
rich watch varieties আছে কিন্তু ইয়াত এতিয়া হেৰি কৰিব পৰা নাই
And there is one
second world war British soldiers siren
siren. Second World War. Still functioning.
Still functioning.
Okay.
আপনি এখানে যাও এখানে
So British soldiers used to use this siren during Second World War. Second World War. Okay, still functioning.
They invented the first model of the fan.
First model of stand fan, right?
Stand fan and তলত তলত lamp জ্বলাই দিব লাগে
Okay, so lamp. This was before the electricity was invented. So you have to use the lamp. That heat will rotate the blades. Rotate the blades. So this is the first model of a stand fan, you can say, before electricity was invented.
ঠিক আছে এটা স্কিন এইটো
Telephone.
প্ৰথম আছে এখন গ্র্যান্ড পিয়ানো
And the grand piano.
1839
1839. grand
almost
piano.
200 years old
And this was, where was it actually? Who used it? Dibrugarh. And it belonged to
some British
some British officer, right? Okay, fine. So very interesting collection, and location is also very nice. You
There
can see
is
the
a
greenery.
nice tree house.
Or there's a tree house also here.
Tree house nice.
Right?
अपने रुचि रुचि अपने देखाओ.
So this is the tree house, and it's overlooking a beautiful paddy field here.
They are flowing
A small stream, and there are some fishes here. Right? And this time of the year, Assam is very beautiful with a lot of greenery, paddy fields, hills, nice.
Okay, fine.
There is one more tree house actually. He wants to show which is more functional. This is the tree house. Let's go up. They have kept. Oh, somebody is staying there actually. Bed is there. Some I can see a small musical instrument. There are windows and a view of the museum. People are there, visitors are there, and fields. Here it is. So I will sign off now. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.